Here is how you can delete all liked videos on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can delete all the liked videos on YouTube. So let's start. First of all, open YouTube and log into your YouTube account. Then after, go to your profile. After that, tap on the settings icon on the top right side of your screen. Then go to manage all history. Select your Gmail account. It will take you to a screen like this. Then after, go to interactions. Then select video likes and dislikes. Now it will show you the list of all the videos that you have liked on YouTube. In order to delete them, simply tap on the cross marks on the top side. Then after, tap on delete. As you can see, this option will not show again. So after you tap on delete, you can simply keep on tapping on the cross mark and the videos will get deleted. You will have to manually tap on the cross mark until it finishes. There is no option to delete all the liked videos in one tap, so you will have to do this manually. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.